How to initialize a new project with Npm Init. If you are curious about how to kickstart a new project using Npm Init, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the steps together so you can get started smoothly. First, you need to open your command line interface. This is where you will enter commands to interact with your computer. Next, navigate to the folder where you want your new project to live. You can do this using the cd command followed by the folder path. Once you are in the right folder, type npm init and hit enter. This command will start an interactive process. You will see prompts asking for various details about your project. The first prompt will ask for the project name. By default, it suggests the name of the current folder. If you want to change it, just type in your preferred name. Next, you will be asked for the version number. The default is 1.0.0. You can keep it or change it if you have a specific version in mind. Then, you will need to provide a brief description of your project. This helps others understand what your project is about. The next prompt will ask for the entry point, which is usually the main file of your project. This is commonly named index.js. After that, you can specify a test command if you have one. If not, you can skip this step. You will also be prompted for the Git repository URL if your project is linked to a version control system. Keywords are next on the list. These are tags that help others find your project. After that, you will enter your name as the author. Finally, you will choose a license for your project. The default options are ISC or MIT, but you can select another if you prefer. Once you answer all the prompts, Npm will create a package.json file in your project directory. This file is essential as it describes your project and lists its dependencies. It acts like a manifest for your project, making it easier to manage. If you want to skip the questionnaire and use default values, you can simply type npm init y. This command will create a package.json file with standard settings immediately. Additionally, npm allows for custom initializers. You can use npm init followed by the name of the initializer. For example, npm init React app will set up a React project with all the necessary configurations. When it comes to continuous integration and continuous deployment, initializing your project correctly with npm init is very important. The package.json file created enables automated tools to install dependencies, run tests, and deploy applications consistently. This standardization is key for smooth integration with build pipelines and deployment workflows. In essence, using npm init is the standard way to start a Node.js project. It creates a package.json file through an interactive prompt or default settings. This file is central to managing project dependencies and scripts, which are vital for modern software development practices, including continuous integration and continuous deployment.